Hey, coffee lovers! Today, I'm diving into the world of espresso with the Brentwood 4-cup coffee maker. This sleek, white machine boasts excellent quality and is made to deliver that perfect cup of Joe right in the comfort of your home. With over 25 years of experience, Brentwood Appliances knows what they're doing when it comes to distributing small appliances. Now, let's talk specs. This 4-cup coffee maker is compact, measuring at 8 inches in diameter, 7 inches in width, and 10 inches in height. Its manual operation gives you control over the brewing process, ensuring that each cup is tailored to your preferences. Plus, with a reusable filter, you can say goodbye to constantly buying paper filters, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. But here's where it gets interesting. The Brentwood 4-cup coffee maker is designed to deliver the perfect brew every time, but achieving that depends on a few key factors. It's essential to get the grind size, coffee amount, and tamping pressure just right to ensure adequate pressure for a proper brew. And don't forget, adjusting the grind size and coffee amount may require reprogramming to get that ideal espresso extraction. With 650 watts of power, this machine packs a punch, promising a rich and flavorful espresso with each use. Whether you prefer a bold, intense shot or a smooth, mellow cup, the Brentwood 4-cup coffee maker delivers versatility and quality in every sip.so. If you're ready to elevate your coffee game and experience the ultimate espresso experience at home, look no further than the Brentwood 4-cup coffee maker. Say hello to your new favorite morning ritual and bid farewell to those pricey cafe visits. Cheers to great coffee. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.